Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm गरिमा. Hope आप सभी अच्छे होंगे. And yes, आज मैं फिर वापस आ गई हूँ एक नई वीडियो के साथ. और आज की वीडियो आप मेरे ज्वेलरी और अटायर से समझ ही गए होंगे कि आज की वीडियो किस रिलेटेड है. So yes, आज हम एक इंडियन मेकअप लुक करेंगे. जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है कि दिवाली आने वाली है, सो मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं कुछ इंडियन मेकअप लुक ट्राई किया जाए. सो येस, लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो. एंड इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज गो एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन also, so that whenever I'm posting a video, you'll be getting a notification for that. And yes, if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. So yes, without wasting any much time, let's start today's video. Taking my Cetaphil just little bit on my hand and I'm gonna apply on my face. First we will start with the eyeshadow and then we will do the rest of the makeup. With the help of this spoolie, I'm brushing my brows. Wild pencil and I'm gonna create my shape first, and then we. As you can see, I'm done with this brows. I'm done with my brows. The next thing I'm gonna do is apply a concealer, and then we will start doing the eyeshadow. So concealer is very important. Today I'm gonna use this Remily London concealer, and I'm gonna apply on my eyelids first and the corner of my brows to give a proper shape. If you have any eye primer, you can use that also, but I usually apply my concealer only. So I'm gonna blend this out, and I'm gonna take the small beauty blender spray. First get this wet, and then I'm gonna blend this out. After applying the concealer, I'm gonna apply a loose powder. I'm taking this CoverGirl, taking on a little bit on my sponge, and I'm gonna dab this out. I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadows. So today I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild one, and I'm gonna start with the neutral color. So I'm using this transition color, taking little bit on brush, dabbing the excess, and start doing from outer crease to inner crease. So I'm blending from outer to inner corners, and once I'm doing with the translucent color, I'm gonna take this this color, taking little bit on my brush and dabbing the excess, and I'm just starting from outer crease, like creating a V line. So this is how you do, like just to create a V line. I do with this eye also, like creating a V. So after blending that that color, I'm taking this next palette, and from this palette I'm taking this color, this one, the pinkish one. I'm taking little bit on my brush and dabbing the excess, and I'm gonna start applying in the outer corners only. Same with this eye also. I'm just applying in the outer corners. Blend, blend, blend. I'm blending this this color, the corners. After blending with my pink color, I'm gonna take this same Wet n Wild palette. I'm gonna take this brown color, if you can see, and I'm just putting I'm just putting in the outer corners to give a best intense depth for my eyeshadow. So I'm just dabbing in the outer corners only. After doing this, I'm gonna take fresh brush, any fluffy brush. I'm taking again my translucent color, and I'm just mixing this out. Apply a concealer, and then we're gonna apply the golden glittery shade. So I'm gonna apply a little bit here, corners. And I'm taking any concealer brush. So I'm taking this one and I'm just blending this out. Glitter shade, I'm using this one. So I'm just spraying some fixing spray on my brush so that it will be wet, and then I'm gonna take the golden shade. Now I'm gonna take my same fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend this out because I don't want any line. And I just wanted to give a little touch of pinkish color, so I'm gonna take this uh, pink color, just give the texture of pink using my fingers, and I'm just applying corners, center, to give a festive vibe. So you can see, done with my eyeshadow. Whatever the excess, I'm gonna just brush it out. You can take any vibe, it's a wet vibe, and I'm gonna just clear out whatever the excess is fall. Now next I'm gonna do apply my eyeliner, and then we will apply the lashes, and then we'll do the rest of our makeup. So I'm using this Maybelline one. I'm done with applying my liner. Next thing, I'm gonna apply this mascara. Apply my lashes. So today I'm gonna use this Kiss, yeah, it's Kiss one. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna do a touch up for my liner because अगर आप touch up नहीं करते तो वो आपके lashes के glue दिखने लगेंगे. So make sure कि आप एक कोट ज़रूर अप्लाई करते हैं after applying your lashes. Again, the very main step is to merge your fake lashes with the your original one. So I'm just I'm gonna do my base. So for base, first we will apply a primer. This is from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna take little bit on my hand, and I'm gonna apply is this color corrector. This is again from Wet n Wild, and I'm taking I'm using my hand for this. I'm taking this color and I'm applying wherever I have a discoloration. Blending this out, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Matte foundation. I'm taking this beauty blender and again my matte fixing spray. I'm So immediately after blending with my foundation, next thing I'm gonna apply this Wet n Wild concealer under my eyes. Along with this, I'm gonna apply my contour also. This is for same Neutrogena one. Contour, I'm gonna blend this out. So I'm starting first with the contour of my nose. I'm gonna apply a loose powder. Again, I'm using the same CoverGirl loose powder to just get our makeup set. I'm using this kind of beauty blender. I'm taking a little bit on my beauty blender and just tapping. Brush, I'm taking this bronzer a little bit on my brush, tapping the excess. lower lash line, same. We're gonna take this Wet n Wild video, palette, and I'm taking, mixing these two colors, if you can see, and I'm doing my lower lash line. And I'm gonna apply the center, just creating a line. We're gonna use the same gold color, so I'm taking this same brush. Now I'm gonna apply a kajal on my waterline. With the excess, I'm gonna brush it out. Last, I'm gonna apply a fixing spray. So again, I'm using this MAC one. Next thing, I'm gonna apply mascara on my lower lash line. Last, we're gonna apply the blush. I'm using this Lakme one, corner pink color, grabbing the excess, and I'm gonna apply on my cheek. I'm using this fixing spray one more time. Till the time my makeup is getting set, I'm applying this Wet n Wild, lip line. I'm using for lips, I'm using this Smashbox lip palette, and you can see this red color. I'm taking on my brush and I'm applying. I'm gonna apply my highlighter, and for that I'm using my highlighter brush. You can use any kind. I'm using this highlighter brush, and this is again Wet n Wild highlighter. I'm taking a little bit on my brush. Gonna apply a bindi because this is a festival, so yes, if you're doing an Indian look, so definitely apply a bindi. So I'm applying a red bindi here. So now you can see I'm done with my makeup, how it is looking. You can see my eyeshadow and bindi and everything. I wore my gajra and everything. So I'm all set for my Diwali. Hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें, और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे न्यू हैं सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन ऑल्सो, सो दैट जब भी मैं नई वीडियो डालूंगी आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगी. एंड टिल द टाइम, take care, happy Diwali, stay safe. I will come with some other video and vlog. Till the time, bye bye.